Have you ever noticed those green messages on a Coca-Cola bottle in Hong Kong? Simple slogans, right? But behind these simple sentences lies something extraordinary. A massive corporate transformation that is reshaping how Hong Kong manages its plastic waste. According to the 2021 Producer Responsibility Scheme on plastic beverage containers, 38,700 tons of plastic bottles were disposed in 2021, and over 90% of them is PET bottles, which is an enormous number. But as Einstein once said, in the middle of every difficulty lies opportunity, and that's why Coca-Cola Hong Kong is doing exactly that. As the bottling partner of an international beverage company, Swire Coca-Cola recognizes that businesses have a critical responsibility to drive positive environmental change. By 2025, the company commits to achieving 100% recyclable primary packaging. This means every bottle, can, and package leaving their facility will be designed with the complete recycling life cycle in mind. By 2030, they will increase the use of recycled material in primary packaging to 50%, ensuring that new bottles are made from materials that have already completed their life cycle.
To meet their ambitious goal, Swire Coca-Cola has cooperated with two other companies in Hong Kong, including Baguio, which is a very comprehensive network of waste collection throughout the Hong Kong, and Alba IWS, which is the founder-operator of V Park in Eco Park. And these three companies has formed a venture fund, New Life Plastic Limited. Also located in the Two Moon Eco Park, New Life Plastic can turn post-consumer used PET bottle into rPET, and more importantly, it is food grade ready, which has made New Life Plastic the first player in Hong Kong to be able to do that. In 2024, New Life Plastic has recycled 155 million bottles. According to a previous study, rPET can reduce the reliance on non-renewable material, maintain the versatility and compatibility of PET, and utilize post-consumer waste and reduce landfill loading. According to another study which compared rPET with traditional virgin PET, rPET in terms of fossil fuel and energy consumption has reduced by 13 to 56%. On the other hand, for the production of the material, rPET can reduce greenhouse gas emission by 20 to 82%. The whole new cutting-edge large-scale NLP facility only gives the cola bottles in Hong Kong an often overlooked green label, but this actually means a lot for the Swire Coca-Cola company because this means they can completely detach from raw, non-renewable material extraction, which allows the company or even the whole of Hong Kong to enjoy the versatility of PET bottles while approaching a next level in sustainability.
Conventional glass recycling faces significant constraints. As research demonstrates, multi-material collection system often leads to high contamination and glass loss during screening. By contrast, mono-material systems are far more efficient. Coca-Cola adopted a closed-loop reuse system in Hong Kong that targets major customers for collection. This focused approach results in less rejection and higher catalyst quality. Most importantly, it allows for up to 15 reuse cycles per bottle compared to single-use recycling, significantly boosting packaging quality while lowering the carbon footprint. They also optimize aluminum cans, reducing material consumption by 0.3 grams per piece. This seemingly a small change cut virgin aluminum use, lowering energy consumption and minimize transportation weight, all while maintaining perfect structural integrity. By embracing reuse, refurbishment, and recycling, Coca-Cola is accelerating the city's transition from a linear model to a turning waste into resources circular economy.
Swire Coca-Cola is the first company to use locally recycled plastic from New Life Plastics in beverage bottles on a large scale, but it is not unknown anymore. Vitasoy has already switched to using 100% recycled PET in its distilled water bottles. Cathay Pacific takes it even further. Every water bottle served on flights departing from Hong Kong is now 100% recycled PET, including the label-free Bonaqua bottles, which use NLP's locally recycled material. On the other side, Cathay Pacific works with the Hong Kong Airport Authority to collect thousands of plastic bottles from arriving flights and deliver them directly to NLP for recycling. These examples show that real change in Hong Kong can happen when major parties work together for a greener future. This is how a true circular economy operates, by closing the loop and turning waste into useful resources.
As Sir Adrian's wired guiding principle show, the company prioritizes environmental responsibility ahead of legislation. Even the cost is higher. Their success is built on 4 pillars: proactive action, setting standards before require it; beyond compliance, doing what's right, not just required; broad impact, balancing business with society; and leadership culture, driven from the top down. Their concrete action include achieving a 70% emission reduction, with a goal of 100% renewable electricity by 2030, and mandating sustainability standards across their supply chain. This earned them 3 major awards in 2023 to 2024. In conclusion, Swire Coca-Cola is a proven regional sustainability leader with ambitious goals and recognized achievement. Thank you.